Hi everybody, quick update on Rick Grimes. See, I've done that little bit now, he's done. Got his gun, got his hat as an extra, head painted, got his UK on there. Pretty pleased with that, it came out well. Still got to learn a lot about face painting, but you know, not bad all in all. So that's Rick. That's just a quick update. There's his. So yeah, pretty pleased. Pretty pleased. Now doing the zombie. Take you down here. Just now done his trousers and his belt. Got the first coat of skin on the bottom bit. That's just the real base coat. Still needs a lot of whitening up to make him look ghouly and dead and semi-rotten, basically. Bit of blood, but that's its. That's his trousers. So yeah, quick update. That was all. I'll catch you again when I get on a bit farther. Copying someone's idea there. I'm going to put some oil drums, a load of debris and things like that as a real sort of back street diorama. Yeah, I just made a couple of, move that out of the way a little bit. Got an arrows, deciding which one to use. And I think I shall use the little fin shaped ones and not the arrow ones. And that's going to go into the zombie's head, which goes in there, like that. So that's going to go in his head and sort of dead. That was all it was, quick catch up, and I'll catch up with you guys again. Happy modelling and talk to you soon. See ya, bye.